2022 Houston Boat Show in Houston, Texas at the NRG Center, featuring this very impressive boats from Valhalla Boatworks, the V-41.
Love this boat. What an amazing, impressive boat.
This is amazing. There she is.
All right. Hey guys, Captain 2 here. When I win the lottery, check out. This is where I'll be. Checking out this new boat.
There we go. It's only got 1,600 horsepower. I don't know if that's going to be enough.
Fast and far, the appeal of the Flagship V-41 is strong and simple. She's the best big center console on the market, answering the call with high-level fishability, speed, range, and overall performance. This triple or quad-powered offshore runner is poised to take the reins as the leading high-performance 40-plus foot center console on the market.
Yes.